class. I hope you are doing very good over there. Now I have on the board this particular question. So I got this question from one of my learners, so he sent this to me so I can help him with it. So I now found that it will be very helpful and useful if I can make video on this and upload it online so that many people, the other learners also, will benefit from the solution. So now if you have this type of question, the first thing we are going to look at is that you see that in these questions we have varieties of operations, basic operations. We have division, we have addition, we have subtraction, and so on like that. So whenever you have that kind of problem, so what we are going to do is that we are going to apply this method that is called BODMAS. I believe this is not the first time you are hearing this. So therefore, which means B stands for bracket, O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, then S for subtraction. So I believe you are familiar with this. So therefore, the idea about this is that you are going to be picking this ascendingly, okay? Because in order. So we look at the question. If you have bracket first, therefore we are attending to bracket first. If there is no, we follow to the last operation. So now, as we have here, you can see that we are having brackets here. So the idea is that we are going to start with those that are having with the terms that are having brackets first. So I want you to listen to me, listen attentively, because this is not hard, and I'm going to show everything to you. Yourself, you will see that it's not even hard at all. So just listen, focus, and be attentive. So now, the first thing we are going to do is that make this one fixed, because our main focus is this with brackets. We have take the LCM of 4 and 3 here. We have 12. So 4 in 12, we have 3. 3 times this, we have 3 plus 3 in 12. What do we have? We have 4. 4 times this, we have what? We have 8 minus 5 over 22 divided by, we take the LCM of this also is 12. 3 in 12 is what? Is 4. 4 times 2 we have 8 minus 4 in 12 is what? Is 3. 3 times 1 we have what? We have 3. Are you getting it now? Is 3 in 12 is what? 3 in 12 is 3 in 12 is 4. 4 times this we have 8 minus 4 in 12 we have what? We have 3. 3 times 1 we have this. So now the next thing we are going to do, we have 3 by 4 divided by 3 plus 8 is going to give us what? Is going to give us 11 by what? 11 by 12 minus 5 by 22 divided by what? This 8 minus 3 is going to give us what? It's going to give us 5 by what? 5 by 12. So it's going to give us 5 by 12. So after that, what is the next thing we are going to solve here? You can see that we have eliminated the brackets now completely. So we now jump to what? We jump to the next from the word BODMAS. So we jump to the next operation, which is what? Which is, we don't have of. Therefore, we forget about of. We jump to division. So now, if you want to do this, what we are going to do is, we have 3 over 4. So this division is going to change to multiplication. As this one changes to multiplication, this fraction, I guess that is to the right of division, will be reciprocated. Do you understand? That is, we take the inverse of this. The one here will come up, and the one up will come down. That is 12 over 11. Am I making sense? Minus 5 over what? Over 22. The same thing we did here, we are going to do it here, multiply by 12 over what? 12 over 5. Are you following? So now the next thing is to do what? We have multiplication here, we have multiplication here. So here, 4, we can have 4 here, we have 1. 4 in 12, we can have 3. 2 here, we have 11. 2 here, we have 6. 5 here, what is 1? 5 here is what is 1. So now let's bring out this what's it called, the remainder. So we are going to have what? We are going to have 3 multiplied by what? 3 over 1 multiplied by 11 minus 1 times 6 over 11 times 1. So now from here, what is 3 times 3 is what? Is 9 over 1 times 11 is 11 minus 1 times 6 is 6. 11 times 1 is what? 11. So now if you look at these fractions, so these are fractions with what? With the same or common denominator. Therefore, it's very simple. Just subtract the denominator together and what? And pick one of the denominator. We have what? We have this 11. And we have our final answer to be what? 3 over 11. So this is the solution. This is the simplification of what? Of this long problem. So therefore, this is how we are going to do this. So this BODMAS is very, very important because that's what we need to follow. So now if you have any question concerning what I have just done on the board, so kindly hit on the comment box, ask your question, and I ensure you that I'm going to give you the necessary and possible answers to your question. So now, please and please do not forget to share this to your friends in school, your learning colleagues. Also, do it well to like it and comment on it. And if there any mistake I made, try to signify. Let me know so that I'm going to make the necessary, correction to that. Thank you so much. I remain my humble self, Shitu Muhammad Al-Amin. Thank you so much. We made some other time.